Good evening, teacher. My name is Jason Foronda. My document talking about my tourist destination for Jason David Foronda Duque. What is the most unknown food you have tried on a trip? He ate, and in Santander it was the strangest meal on a trip. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? I visited a Thai food restaurant and it was very expensive. What is the chef's place you visit in your city? The chef's place in visit in the botanical garden. Everything was free and beautiful. What what are the best things that have happened to you and trip mentioned too? The first thing was to meet dolphins, and the second thing was the get to know other cultures and foods. Have you ever worked in the tourism? How was the experience? Yes, I working in the tourism agency, and the best thing was meeting many beautiful people and place. Listo, profe, eso es las 5 preguntas. Muchas gracias.